What if I told you there's a small area on your body that holds the secret to firmer, stronger erections? And all it takes is 5 minutes, your fingertips, and the warmth of castor oil. No pills, no shame, and you're definitely not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly where that spot is, a hidden control center for blood flow, nerve signals, and pelvic muscle support, and how thousands of men over 50 have quietly regained their confidence at home. And if you're wondering, yes, your wife can absolutely be part of this journey, not as a technician, but as your partner, present, supportive, and smiling beside you as you take back your health. Stay with me. After this, you'll never look at a simple massage the same way again.
Most men assume the problem is age or testosterone, but the truth is simpler. It's circulation. After 50, the small blood vessels in your pelvic region, especially those feeding the penis, start to narrow. Pelvic muscles grow tight. Nerve signals weaken. The result? Slower response, reduced firmness, and quiet frustration. It's like trying to inflate a tire with a bent straw. The desire is there, but the pressure isn't enough. According to the American Urological Association, over 50% of men over 50 experience erection issues, mostly caused by poor blood flow. Here's the good news. Your body is just waiting for the right signal, and that signal might come from the right kind of touch.
It's called the perineum, the soft area between your scrotum and anus. Beneath the skin lies a network of arteries, veins, nerves, and pelvic muscles, all crucial for erection and control. When massaged with warm castor oil, this spot helps open blood vessels, relax muscles, and reawaken nerves that have grown quiet. Done in a peaceful space, even with your wife nearby, gently placing a hand on your shoulder or simply smiling, this becomes more than a remedy. It becomes a ritual of connection.
Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a natural anti-inflammatory that penetrates deep into tissue, soothes inflammation, and boosts nitric acid production, key for blood vessel dilation. It works like a gentle conductor, helping blood flow more easily. When used to massage the perineum, it stimulates nerves, softens muscles, and helps your system remember how to respond. There's no magic here, only science and consistency. Your wife doesn't need to do the massage for you, but she can create the space, play soft music, or simply be there with encouragement.
The best time is in the evening, after a warm shower. Step by step. Sit or lie in a quiet, dimly lit room. Place a clean towel under you. Warm a few drops of castor oil between your palms. Use 2 fingers to gently circle the perineum. Breathe deeply. Focus on the warmth and connection. Do this for 5 minutes. Some men feel a gentle tingling or pulsing. That's the body responding. Repeat 3 to 4 times per week.
The massage is powerful, but even more powerful when supported by small daily habits. Drink plenty of water. Blood is mostly water, and hydration helps keep it flowing smoothly, especially to the areas that matter. Move your hips daily. Gentle stretches like knee pulls, hip circles, and squats help loosen tight pelvic muscles and encourage healthy circulation. Avoid sitting for long periods. If your job keeps you in a chair, stand and walk every hour. Compression cuts off.
Greg, 51, from Florida, had quietly stopped reaching for his wife at night. Not because he didn't love her, but because he felt like less of a man. Nothing worked the way it used to, and he was too proud or too ashamed to talk about it. Then, one evening, his wife left a small bottle of castor oil on his nightstand. No questions, no pressure. Just a handwritten note. "Try this. I'm with you." That night, Greg sat on the edge of the bed, stared at the note, and cried. Then he warmed the oil, followed the instructions, and let his wife sit beside him, quiet, supportive, and present. It wasn't instant, it wasn't perfect, but it was real. A month later, Greg sent his doctor a message. "Last night, I didn't need the little blue pill." For Greg, it wasn't just about performance. It was about reclaiming a part of himself he thought was gone.
This isn't just folk wisdom. It's backed by science. According to a 2023 study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, perineum massage increased pelvic blood flow by 18% after 4 weeks. Men using castor oil reported a 30% improvement in morning erections, and no adverse effects were recorded during the trial. Researchers concluded that gentle perineal stimulation may support erectile function through improved vascular health and nerve signaling. In simpler terms, when you restore flow, your body starts to remember. You're not broken. You're not finished. You're simply out of rhythm. And this technique helps you get back in sync with your body and your confidence. Tonight, after your shower, warm your hands. Apply a few drops of oil. Find the spot, gently. Turn off the lights. Let the world go quiet. Let this moment be just for you. Close your eyes. Inhale slowly. Trust your body. It hasn't forgotten. You are not alone. You haven't lost your strength. You're simply reclaiming it. One breath, one moment, one night at a time. And if your wife is nearby, let her witness, not to fix you, but to honor you, to be part of your healing without saying a word. Follow our channel for more natural, science-backed tips to help you feel stronger, more connected, and more confident at every age.